Every film begins its journey with care and precision. It reflects our commitment to sustainability, with decades of expertise in the packaging industry. XU YUAN Packaging always approaches challenges from our customers' perspective. Through our equipment solutions, we provide end-to-end services from printing to sleeving, ensuring every step is managed with expertise. At our GIE production facility, we integrate printing and quality inspection processes, building an efficient and stable production system. From imagery to color control, technology allows us to manage every detail with precision, ensuring the message our clients wish to convey is clear. From XU YUAN Packaging, high-quality materials must not only be precise, but also environmentally responsible. Therefore, we adopt air pollution control systems and eco-friendly processes, select environmentally friendly materials, reduce emissions, and promote sustainable production while maintaining a safe workplace. Likewise, we continue to innovate and upgrade our processes. As technology advances, we deploy AI-enhanced automated production equipment, simplifying operation, enhancing quality consistency, and building a highly efficient, intelligent production line. When it comes to material selection, XU YUAN Packaging actively advances sustainability using PCR plus PET recycled materials, ensuring top print quality, while significantly reducing carbon emissions, providing greener solutions for the environment. Beyond packaging film printing, our automation systems that integrate packaging and products are also key components of our offerings. At our Hsinchu automation facility, the hub of our equipment manufacturing, from feeding to sleeving and shrink tunnels, every system is equipped with precision modules and advanced control systems, delivering efficient and stable automated packaging performance. Among these, our newest generation smart sleeving machine is a breakthrough in efficiency and sustainability, and one of our most critical innovations, integrating positioning, sleeving, and shrinking with an energy-saving, carbon-reducing design. Consuming only 1 kilowatt of power, we are saving more than just electricity, but also reinforcing our commitment to the environment. Our product portfolio can be categorized into shrink label and flexible laminate packaging from our printing division, and sleeving machines from our equipment division, offering customers both packaging materials and automated solutions in one integrated service. In medical and healthcare packaging, higher standards for sealing and material safety apply, and we meet these expectations with stringent specifications, ensuring uncompromised quality. From beverages and food to beauty and daily products, and biotechnology and medical use, our products are widely used across diverse industries.
其实在我们心里面我们不认为自己是传统产业，针对设备，针对印刷，我们也可以把它做得很科技化。整个产线上我们导入了很多数据的整合， AI 的串联，所以在印刷的过程中，从客户端给我们 order 订单开始，整个流程及时的能够去掌握，包含良率啦，整个效率啦，都是透过数据的反馈这一块，我们及时的导正。其实我很在意的是品质的部分那因为客户不会是单一次的，所以其实我觉得宁愿在测试阶段，在我们公司花更多的时间，然后我们到客户端去教育训练的时候，就是一次给他验过。在整个国际市场的话，我们是运用自己的优势在整合这一块，然后一并的去针对大型的客户我们可能就是像可乐啦，像雀巢啦，像百事啦，像达人这些大型的客户的话，我们会运用集团的力量去做订单的标售案然后再针对每个地方、每个国家的客户需求来去供货。
Rooted in Taiwan, we continue expanding globally with subsidiaries established in Indonesia, Brazil, and the United States, strengthening our international presence, showing our commitment to global growth.
在客户眼中，我们不单单只想当个供应商，我们更希望靠着专业、靠着服务、靠着配合度，让客户仰赖我们，成为长期的合作伙伴。
At XU YUAN Packaging, we believe responsibility is our choice, innovation is our approach, and sustainability is our direction. As market needs evolve rapidly, we embrace new challenges. Supported by strong expertise and experience, we continuously improve every service aspect, pursuing better solutions. For anything related to packaging, you can trust XU YUAN Packaging.